Cows are domesticated animals that belong to the family Bovidae. They have been raised by humans for thousands of years for their milk, meat, leather, and as draft animals in agriculture. Today, cows are vital to the dairy industry and beef production, playing an important role in the global food economy. Cows are large, sturdy animals with a barrel-shaped body, short neck, and long legs. They have a typical height of about 4 to 6 feet at the shoulder and can weigh between 1,200 and 2,500 pounds, depending on the breed and purpose, dairy or beef. Cows have cloven hooves, which means their hooves are split into 2 toes, and they possess a long tail that helps swat away insects. Cows are well known for their large, expressive brown eyes and thick hide that can be black, brown, white, or a combination of these colors. Their horns are present in some breeds, though many cows are dehorned for safety purposes. There are over 800 different breeds of cows, bred for either dairy production or meat. Some well-known dairy breeds include Holstein, recognizable by their black and white spots. They are the most common dairy breed worldwide, known for their high milk yield. Jersey, smaller in size, with light brown coats. Jerseys are known for producing milk with a high butterfat content. Guernsey, these cows have reddish-brown and white coats and produce rich, creamy milk. For beef production, some popular breeds include Angus, known for their high-quality beef and marbled meat. Angus cattle are typically black. Hereford, easily recognizable by their red bodies and white faces. Herefords are known for their adaptability and meat quality. Charolais, a French breed. These cows are large, muscular, and used for beef production. Cows are social animals that naturally live in herds, establishing a clear hierarchy, often led by the dominant females. In the wild or in free-range settings, cows spend most of their day grazing, feeding on grass, and interacting with other members of the herd. Cows are also intelligent and curious creatures. They can recognize up to 50 individual cows and form strong bonds within the herd. Their communication consists of vocalizations like moos, body language, and facial expressions, helping them convey emotions or alerts to other cows. Cows are herbivores, with a diet primarily composed of grasses, hay, grains, and legumes. They are also ruminants, which means they have a specialized stomach with 4 compartments: the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. This unique digestive system allows cows to break down fibrous plant materials that most other animals cannot digest. The process begins with grazing, where cows swallow grass almost whole. Later, they regurgitate this partially digested food, known as cud, and chew it again to further break it down before it passes into the rest of the stomach for digestion. This system allows cows to extract nutrients efficiently from tough plant matter. Cows are renowned for their ability to produce large quantities of milk. Dairy cows can produce an average of 6 to 8 gallons of milk per day, although this can vary depending on breed, diet, and milking practices. The milk is rich in calcium, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients, making it a staple food product for humans. Milk production begins after a cow has given birth, and she will continue producing milk as long as she is milked regularly. In modern dairy farming, cows are milked 2 to 3 times a day using automated milking machines that replicate the natural suckling process of a calf. Cows are typically bred through natural mating or artificial insemination. The gestation period for a cow is about 9 months, after which she gives birth to a calf. Most cows give birth to 1 calf at a time, though twins can occur. A calf is typically weaned from its mother's milk after 6 to 10 months, although dairy farms often wean calves much earlier so that the cow's milk can be harvested for human consumption. Female calves, heifers, are raised to become dairy or beef cows, while males are often raised for beef. The lifespan of a cow can range from 15 to 20 years, though dairy cows are often retired from milk production after around 6 to 7 years. After that, many are sent to be used for beef or byproducts like leather. Cows are one of the most important domesticated animals globally due to their ability to provide milk, meat, leather, and even manure, which can be used as fertilizer or fuel. The dairy industry relies heavily on cows, with countries like the United States, India, and New Zealand being top producers of milk. The beef industry is equally significant, with cow meat being a primary source of protein for millions of people worldwide. Beef is a staple in diets across North and South America, Europe, and Asia. In many cultures, cows hold deep symbolic and religious meaning. In Hinduism, cows are considered sacred and are often revered as symbols of life, fertility, and prosperity. In countries like India, it is common to see cows roaming freely, as their slaughter is prohibited in several regions. Cows have also played symbolic roles in mythology and folklore. In Norse mythology, a primeval cow named Audhumla nourished the first giant, Ymir, with her milk. In many agricultural societies, cows are seen as a symbol of wealth and abundance, representing a source of sustenance and livelihood. Cows, especially in large-scale farming, have a significant impact on the environment. Methane emissions from cow digestion contribute to greenhouse gases, making cattle farming a concern in discussions about climate change. Additionally, large herds require substantial land and water resources, leading to concerns about deforestation and overgrazing. Efforts are underway to develop more sustainable farming practices, such as improved grazing techniques, better feed efficiency, and methods to reduce methane emissions.